Hey guys, I'm Diana, aka San Diana. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not new, thanks for coming back. I make beauty and style videos. I basically just shop a lot and show you what I think with a little mix of some other stuff here and there. Today I'm bringing you some slumber party vibes for this unboxing that I'm really excited about. I kind of a little sneak peek opened it, but I haven't opened. I just kind of looked. I did a little peek-see. I was in some makeup palettes by Hush. All of them are actually by a makeup brand called Bad Habits. Yeah, Bad Habit. I wanted to check if it was plural, not plural. I'll link everything down below. But basically, they sent me a bunch of stuff to test out. I'm going to be putting out makeup tutorials as well. But for today, we're having a little slumber party, and we're going to look at what they sent me. So stick around, and let's get into the video. Okay. So they sent me 7 makeup palettes, which is ridiculous. Like, ugh, thank you. This is Bad Habits Inferno eyeshadow collection. 12 colors. By the way, all of their makeup is cruelty-free, which I love. This is all going to be a test. I'm guessing these are like warm, spicy kind of shades. This is the Bad Habit Aura eyeshadow palette. This comes with 14 eyeshadows. Oh, they have their Instagram on here. I'm going to link their Instagram down below as well. This is their Retro Love. 14 colors. I'm guessing Aura, this is going to kind of be these colors, like purpley, sunset kind of things. Yeah. And then this one, I'm guessing it's going to be like earthy vibes, maybe some blues, I don't know, retro. Next, we have Bad Habits Athena 18 color eyeshadow collection. I have no idea what these colors are going to be. I guess they could be kind of similar to the Aura, and I'm really just guessing because of the packaging. But this packaging's so fucking... This packaging is really, really cute. Next, we have this Bad Habit Aphrodite palette, which is another 18 color palette. I'm really excited. I feel like this is going to be a bad beige palette. Like, I'm excited. I feel like this one's going to be like the one. I don't know though. I actually haven't opened them. This is their Unicorn Glow Highlight Collection. This is actually not by Bad Habit. This is by Face Candy. It's so cute. And this one is also by Face Candy. Their Mermaid Glow. I'm all about those glows. We're going to start from the beginning, okay? So... got him. I'm real strong, guys. So, sliding it out. It matches the thing, like, exactly. This is the back with all the info and stuff. And then... ooh. Okay. So, let me cover the mirror. Basically, they have a bunch of warm tones. It's a mix of like mattes and shimmer. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh. I'm excited about that. I think that's really cute. Okay. That is the Inferno. Like how I look kind of like a homeless person, but kind of like a Greek goddess homeless person. That's the kind of look I'm going for, you know? Next, I'm going to go for the Aura and the Retro. Okay, here is the Aura, exactly the same. Focus. This is exactly the same as the packaging outside. All the little info on the back. Oh! I was not, what? Okay, so the green spilled out a little. Let me just clean this up for you. There's just a little fallout of the green, but these are some bright colors. Honey, pardon? Look at those. Oh my, there's so many possibilities. I'm excited. Aura, I guess that makes sense. No, I didn't see that coming. I had no idea. That's thrilling. There's so many crazy colors in here. There we go. Okay, packaging exactly the same as the outside. Are we surprised? No. Is it focusing? There we go. There's the back. Usual. Let's see. Ooh, okay. This one's a lot more matte than the other ones. The other ones I felt like had more shimmer than matte. This one has more mattes than shimmer. Well, look at that. Those are some fun colors. Like, ooh. I'm excited. Okay, now that I have Aphrodite. So, this is what the packaging looks like. Hello, smoke show. This one, honey, let me tell ya. Look at these chunky glitters. How do I focus that? Do you see that? Look at these chunky ass glitters right here on the corner. Beauty. Look at those matte pinks over there. Look at those like fine glitters over there. And then this black. Oh, look it up. Those are going to be some looks. Serve some looks. I knew it. As soon as I saw the Aphrodite and the packaging. Next we have Athena, keeping it with the Greek goddess vibes. These are cute. These are real cute. These are warm tones. There's some hollows in there. Oh, okay. Okay, honey, look. Look at those. Look at those, like, translucent shades up in there. Look at this, like, thick glitter. Look at that orange ass. Look at that truth looking ass. Oh. I'm excited. This is good. And I haven't played with purples in a long time. And I was, like, just thinking, like, I really should. Because, like, I have brown eyes and stuff. Like, it looks good. I should do it, but I don't. Now I'm gonna. Your girl's gonna. Okay, now the highlight. Okay. Ooh. Okay, these are like colorful. Okay, let me just show ya, Shishta. Oh my god, here are these highlights. So I'm really excited to have like these colorful reflectant. I'm that girl. I'm that girl who will put the blue on so it looks extra sparkly, even though it's just like going against like your natural skin. I love it. I live for it. So that's unicorn. Okay, last but not least, Mermaid Glow. I'm already looking for the hollow on this. It's so hot in my room. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sweating. Oh, ooh, ooh. Okay, this reminds me of like Moonchild by Anastasia. There's like those kind of vibes. So this one's like a lot more pastel. So the other one, I'm guessing, the unicorn one is going to be a lot crazier. Shit's going to go down with that one. This one, I'm excited because it's going to be light reflex. I'm interested to see what this is going to look like, to be honest. The grayish. That'll be fun. Okay. I'm so excited. So that's it. That's it. That's the 7 palettes. That's this box full of packaging and palettes. So I'd like to say a big thank you to Hush.com for sending me these makeup palettes. I can't wait to try them. Please let me know down below which ones you want to see individual tutorials on and which ones you just kind of want to see used with other things. I'm definitely going to use all of them in a few videos. I just want to know which ones, like, okay, I want to know, like, do you want to see like a look for unicorn with Athena, or like, I don't know. If not, I'll just decide, but like it'll be more fun if you guys help me decide. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. You can always follow me on my other social medias to keep up with me daily. And please put on that little bell notifications for the next time I upload. I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Side note, this glow is me sweating. I'm nasty. I'm sorry.